This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the passenger's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Lift the safety catch release and open the bonnet. Release the support prop and engage it with the hole in the bonnet underside. Brake fluid. The brake fluid reservoir is located at the rear of the engine compartment. The maximum and minimum fluid levels are indicated on the side of the reservoir. If topping up is necessary, rotate the filler cap anti-clockwise and remove it. Add new .4 fluid from a sealed container. Securely refit the filler cap. Engine oil. The engine oil filler cap and level dipstick are located on the top of the engine. Pull out the dipstick, wipe it clean, then fully reinsert it. Withdraw the dipstick again and examine the oil level. If the oil level is below or near the lower mark, topping up is necessary. Rotate the filler cap anti-clockwise and remove it. Add the correct grade of the oil, a little at a time, to bring the level up to the upper mark on the dipstick. With the level correct, reinsert the dipstick and securely refit the filler cap. Coolant. The coolant expansion tank and filler cap is located on the right-hand side of the engine compartment. The maximum and minimum coolant levels are indicated on the side of the tank. If the level is below or near the minimum mark, topping up is necessary. Slowly unscrew the filler cap to allow any residual pressure to escape. Add a 50-50 mixture of antifreeze and water to the tank, bringing the level up to the maximum mark. Securely refit the filler cap. Power steering. The power steering fluid filler cap is located at the front of the engine compartment. The level should be checked with the wheels in the straight ahead position and the engine off. Clean the area around the top of the reservoir, then rotate the filler cap anti-clockwise and remove it. Wipe clean the integral dipstick, then refit the cap. Remove the cap again and examine the fluid level. When the engine is cold, the fluid level should be between the lower add mark and the middle C mark on the dipstick. If the engine is warm, the fluid level may be up to the upper H mark. If the fluid level is on or below the add mark, top up the fluid to the middle C mark with the correct grade of fluid. Securely refit the filler cap. Screen wash. The screen wash fluid filler cap is located at the front of the engine compartment. Pull open the filler cap and add a mixture of screen wash additive and water. Securely refit the filler cap. Stow the safety prop, firmly close the bonnet, and ensure it's secure.